In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a wedding planner in Airtable. We'll start by creating a brand new workspace for your planning. Open Airtable, click Add a Base, then choose Start from Scratch. Name it Wedding Planner so it's easy to find later. For quick visual recognition, pick a color and an icon that fit your style. This small touch helps when you're juggling multiple bases. Next, set up the tables that will keep everything organized. Create a clients table to store the people you're planning for. Add fields for name as a single line of text, contact as either email or phone, wedding date as a date field, and budget as a currency field. Then add a vendors table to manage your pros. Include vendor name as text, type as a single select with options like caterer, photographer and venue, contact for their email or phone, and cost as currency. Now build a tasks table to track the work. Use task name as text and create link fields to connect each task to a client and, if relevant, to a vendor. Add a due date and a status single select with not started, in progress and completed. Finally, an optional budget tracker table is great for expenses. Add item as text, link it to client and vendor, include cost as currency, and a paid checkbox to mark what's settled. With those tables in place, link your data so it works together. In both tasks and budget tracker, link the client field to the clients table and the vendor field to the vendors table. These connections let you see, for example, every task tied to a specific couple or every cost tied to a particular vendor. Now customize your view so information is easy to digest. Use a calendar view to see tasks and wedding dates laid out over time. A Kanban view is perfect for organizing tasks by status and spotting bottlenecks. A gallery view can showcase vendors or venues visually, which is handy when presenting options. And keep a grid view for fast spreadsheet-style entry. Quick note, at the top of the description, you'll find a link to Airtable so you can access it on the web or download the app and follow along. To keep everything focused, use filters and grouping. Group tasks by client or status to understand workload and progress at a glance. Filter the budget tracker by paid or unpaid, or narrow by vendor type when you're reviewing specific categories. From here, it's all about maintenance. Add new clients, vendors, tasks, and expenses as your work unfolds. Update task statuses regularly so your views reflect reality, and review the budget tracker to make sure you're staying on target. Thanks for watching.